Good morning, Indira Shah here. Let me show you how to make urad dal masala vada. Okay, for urad dal masala vada, you need urad dal, the split urad dal. I have washed and soaked for 3 hours and then drain the water. Then you need onion. If you don't want onion, you can add cabbage also, shredded cabbage. Then you need green chilies. Then you need cilantro, that is coriander leaves, curry leaves, pepper powder, salt and asafoetida. Usually when you mix onion, you don't use asafoetida, but in this case you need to add because urad dal may create gastric in your stomach. So if you add asafoetida will help you to ease the gastric in case if you get it. Okay, so now what you should do is you have to grind this to a fine paste, adding salt and asafoetida. Let me grind it. You can add the green chilli while grinding the urad dal. So you can add little water for grinding. See, it has been ground now. I have already added salt and asafoetida. Now I'll add pepper powder. Now I'll add the cut curry leaves and then the onion. This is finely cut onion. I have taken around 3 small onions. And then this washed and cooked cilantro. Now mix it thoroughly. I have kept oil in a pan and here I have mixed everything thoroughly. Now take a ball like this. See, now dip your hand in the water. Now take a ball like this. See, this much. And then take some leaf. I have taken betel leaf. You can take banana leaf or palash leaf or even plastic sheet. Okay. So now take it like this and drop it in the water. Sorry, in the oil. Look at here. Here it's turning crisp and brown. Let it become golden brown and the sound of the bubble in the oil will reduce. Okay, then you can remove it. Here this is almost golden brown. So you can remove it now. Here the masala urad dal vada is ready. This can go well with coconut chutney. So trust me, this will be very tasty. You can just try it and get back to me with your feedback. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like button and the bell button for more notification because I'm coming up with exciting videos on food, gardening tips, beauty tips and many more. So thank you very much. Bye bye. This is Vikvela.